Hey everyone, I am here to continue working in my fun journal. So I have with me, I did these really fun quotes that I love with this August subscription kit. And I just wanted to play and put a bunch in my journal and show some fun different things you can do with these simple quotes. So let's go ahead and just get started. So a fun thing you can do is add a metal embellishment. And because they don't take up a lot of room, these cards, then you can go ahead and put something a little chunkier with it and not worry that you're taking up too much room. So I'm trying to decide, I kind of like it on the patterned paper. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the patterned paper. I think I'll just use a glue stick for these. But I kind of found quotes about gardening and bees, and there is something about nature that is just very healing for the soul. We went on a hike up to a lake with my family on Monday. And we were gonna go 1.5 miles, but we started up and then somebody said, oh, there's a lake and it's only like another, mile or so. And so we thought, oh, we can do that. So we started going, and it turns out we ended up going all around on a 9-mile hike. So anyway, it was just really funny, but it was so beautiful up there and just peaceful, and my soul just needed it. So it was a special day. All right. This is exactly the opposite of that one I just did. Let's put one in here. I think I want to put this over here opposite of this guy. But another thing you can do is just add a fussy cut in there. And you can use just a big kind of a statement piece with it, because you've got the space on this page when all you're doing is a simple little quote. But I had to do this one because this was talking about bees, and this little fussy cut has a cute little bee on it right there. I love it. All right, we can do one more in this. Let's go toward the center. This page needs something, huh? Or I can do it over here. I mean, you could back these with a solid color, and that would be really pretty too. Give it like a matte. I feel like it jumps out better over here. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to turn this one into a pocket just by gluing around these 3 edges. Oh no, I did it on the wrong side. That means we're going to improvise quickly. We can come right here. That would be pretty. And then we can just do this cute little tuck right here. Or we can put a few things in there. Kind of want to add an eyelet to that. I'm not going to make you guys watch me add my eyelet, but I think I would add an eyelet and just some twine string or something fun there. All right, let's move to the back half of our journal. Oh, I think it'd be fun to have one here. And then this whole spread will be complete, and you can just soak that moment in. So another fun thing to add for me always is, I love butterflies. And I love to go ahead and let those wings stay not glued down, so they can kind of pop up a hair. But I want to glue that antenna down because they can get broken. There, so it gives it that pop, that dimension. Let's see, one more. Oh, I have two more quick and easy ideas. I like that. Or do I like it on the envelope? I think I like it here. But you can turn it into a top tuck pocket as well. Killed it on the inking. So for that, you just glue these 3 sides down. And I'm gonna glue a little higher so my tuck doesn't fall down in there and get totally lost. But how easy would it be to add some lace behind there popping out? Let's do it. Oh, how cute. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and do it. Sorry, you guys, the sun's coming up. I hope it's not making it hard to see. It's okay, we're almost done. We have one more to add. Let's come toward the back here. And then from another video, I had these circles left over and I thought that would be really fun to use them up. So how fun would that be just to make kind of the circles just kind of frame it. So that was the last kind of idea I had, but you can use those as a belly band, a tuck, or a pocket. And I love the message that these quotes give. And this is so true. I love this quote. The best place to find God is in a garden. You can dig for him there. And I just love that, because if you watch nature and you just pay attention, there are so many miracles every day in nature that just sort of leave me in awe. So there is another fun, oh, that is so crooked. Oh, I can't have it be that crooked. A little crooked, okay, but I've got time to peel that off and make it right, so let's do it. Did I do better? I don't even know if I did, but I love that. Love, love, love. And now I feel like, because I didn't center it very good, I feel like I need something, maybe lace. Maybe a lace across the bottom would balance that out. Let's try it. Let's just try it on and see if we like it. We can even probably still tuck it up under there. Yes, we can. All right, let's do it. Just a nice light coat of that art glitter glue. We'll get that right down and not soak this paper. Now I need to fix that little blooper. There we go. Cute. So anyway, it's fun to kind of play with something as easy as just a rectangular quote and find out different creative ways to use it. So we had, every one of them was a little bit different and leaves a little bit different of an effect. So anyway, I hope that gave you some creative ideas, and I sure appreciate you taking time out to watch and spend some time with me. So I hope you have a beautiful day, and we will talk to you later. Bye.